Hi guys, it's Brooke with WTI. I am one of those people that is always cold. And we have a huge window in our house too that lets in a lot of cold air. So we have so many blankets laying around, but I have found my favorite one. It's this UnHide Lil Marsh blanket, and I have the one in the beige bear color. My son loves playing hide and seek or peekaboo, and I love that he can use this fluffy blanket and I don't have to worry about him getting it dirty because I can just throw it in the washing machine. So that's awesome. This blanket is so soft and fluffy, but I love that it's not real fur, of course, but it feels so fuzzy. Sometimes I get so hot in blankets because they're so thick, but this one is the perfect thickness. It's not too thick, it's great. I love how soft and fuzzy this UnHide blanket is, but also that it's completely machine washable. But that's my point of view.